Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and change name on Google Meets. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, the thing that you have to know is your Google Meets is simply access your Google account, right? So whatever Google account's display name is you have, so we can tap on our account on top right corner and you can see our display name is Bimal Basnet over there, right? So if you want to change it, our display name, what we have to do is again tap on this account on top and tap on your manage your Google account. Now in this personal info, if we go, we're going to find this our basic info. We can see our name, birthday and gender and stuff. We're going to tap on this name, and now we will find this interface where we can go ahead edit our particular name over there, right? If we tap on this pencil icon, it will give us an access to simply edit our particular name over there. Once we have edited it, we can tap on this save option, and that way our display name can be changed even for our Google Meets, because we are simply updating our Google account, and that goes for our Google Meet as well. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.